prices are insane. More record highs, more positives, more money made. And yet another week where the markets hated, just despised. The complaints about it are myriad. Nobody champions stocks except, well, us. And, of course, the legion of buyers who propel these stocks higher. The averages always tell the story. Dow gaining 173 points, S&P advancing 0.49%, NASDAQ climbing 0.72%. It was a really good session, and all I heard were gripes. The rally, once so narrow, is now amazingly broad. The banks, the transports, all sorts of tech, utilities, so many other sectors, small cap, mid cap, whatever, they all just march higher. Now, I know the speculative stocks are a very visible part of the market, and that rankles the pros. But that's been the case with this market ever since the GameStop affair way back in January of 2021. So get over it. Is it more frothy than we'd like? Sure. But it hasn't stopped us from going higher any more than the concentration the Magnificent Seven did not that long ago. Right now, there's a widespread sense that the obsession with the data center represents the top. Yet every time good news or even rumored good news, like Meta perhaps contracting with Oracle for a $20 billion cloud computing deal, well, what happens when it comes out? Fresh new highs. One of these days, we will have a top, a genuine peak. But the things that are supposed to signal a top simply haven't done their job. That's why so many people truly dislike this market, even though it keeps going higher. See, people see things that ordinarily would signal that stocks are ready to peak. But then it doesn't happen, and they don't adjust their expectations. They double down on their negativity. So we watch Oklo up another 29% today. This is one that we're up 100 since I said just go buy it. Because the government favors nuclear for the umpteenth time. We look at the quantum computing stocks, I think you have to buy those too. And we know there's nothing there in the near term. But eventually, there could be, even if those future gains might not go to quantum stocks that are currently trading.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.